welcome back to my channel. I have a quick video today and it's going to be another Mickey's Mystery Box unboxing. I'm a little bit late making this video. I've actually had this for about 3 weeks now. This is my March box, I guess. I've had this for about 3 weeks. This was at my doorstep like 2 days after we got back from our little mini vacation down to Disney World. And honestly, I was planning on taking a break from this subscription for the month just because I knew I was going to be in the parks and doing lots of shopping. I do have a haul posted from everything that I bought in the parks. If you'd like to see that, I will link it. But I actually forgot to cancel the subscription for the month. So this was waiting on my doorstep a few days after we got home. And I knew I wasn't going to get to this video right away, so I did open it. So I do know what's inside. I know, I usually open these right on camera without knowing what's inside. But this month, today, I do know what's inside. But if you like unboxing videos, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up so that I know to do more. Mickey's Mystery Box is a monthly subscription, like I said, and when you check out and order your subscription, you can choose from, I think there's like a little notes section where you can put what your favorites are or what you hope to receive. Some things like maybe things that you collect that you can get in the parks, or clothing, stuffed animals, something from your favorite ride or character. So they do kind of try to go in and customize the box for you according to your likes. I'm not going to wait any longer. I'm just going to show you what I got in here. Like I said, I've already seen everything, but I still wanted to share. So in my preferences, I always put that I like to collect Disney mugs, and I did get a Disney mug in this month's box. It is a Starbucks mug, which when I saw that I was really excited, but then I saw the other side and it's like a gingerbread house, but so it's like Christmassy and holiday-ish, and honestly we are in March going into April. And as much as I love getting Disney mugs, and as much as I do love this mug, it's nice and big, and I do love that it's from Starbucks and Disney, I'm just kind of hoping to get mugs that maybe aren't, or anything that's not holiday. I think in my first month's box that I got, it was after Christmas, and I got some Christmas ears, which is totally fine because these things are definitely going to get used. But I was just hoping to maybe next time get something that was not holiday-ish when we're going into spring. And these items do definitely all come from the Disney parks, but I know that some of the items come from like the Disney parks outlet that they have down in Florida. And I was watching a Tim Tracker vlog the other day, and if you like Disney and you don't know who Tim Tracker is, then where have you been? Go look up his YouTube channel. It's amazing. But him and his wife were shopping in the character outlet. What is it called? I'm not from there. Disney Character Warehouse, something like that. It's a big Disney outlet, and it looks really fun. But they did see this mug, and they also were talking about something that I noticed too. And there's like a lip here, and they were saying that there probably was like a cover or like a lid that used to go on this, because I don't know why else that would be there, but mine does not have a lid. The next thing that I got in the box was this Mickey spatula, and my daughter Scarlett is our little chef, and this is hers. She already claimed it. This is hers. She loves to cook, and this is great because we have the Mickey hand part holder, and this goes great with it. It matches it. So she was really excited to get this, and it's super cute. I believe I actually put in like kitchenware or housewares, cookingware in my preferences, so I love this. Definitely a hit in that box. I also got a little Winnie the Pooh lollipop, which is great because I'm all about those Disney parks snacks. So it just looks like a regular lollipop, and I think they sell these in like big bunches or bundles in the park, so they just threw that in there. That was super cute. I also got a pair of ears, and I do collect the Disney park ears. Some of them can be extremely tight on my head, so I could be kind of picky about them. These rose gold ones aren't terrible. They're not as bad as I thought they would be, but these are like a hot pink leopard print. I'm going to guess that they're from Animal Kingdom because I have seen them. I've seen the zebra print ones before, but I did try these on, and my daughter tried them on, Scarlett, and she said that these were going to be hers. The other thing that I noticed is there's no bow here, and a lot of the ears in the parks will have a bow, so this design just doesn't, and that's totally fine. So these will be great for Animal Kingdom. I have 2 girls, so no matter how many ears we get, they always do get used. So those are super fun. If I was wearing like a bright colored outfit to Animal Kingdom, I will definitely take these with me next time. And so I also got another pin. They've been putting a pin in my box every month, which is great because I do request that. And this is a Sleeping Beauty or Aurora pin. She does kind of have like a creepy looking face. Am I the only one that thinks that? I don't know. Her face looks like she has a mustache. I don't know if you can see that, but it kind of looks like she has a mustache. That's okay. But then I didn't even notice at first, but it's actually an October pin, and it has the October birthstone, and I am an October baby. So that's actually my birthstone, and I don't think that Mickey's Mystery Box knew that, because I don't think there's a place to put your birthday or your birth month. Maybe there is, I don't remember, but I think it was just a coincidence that I got an October pin in my box, and I'm an October kid. So that's awesome. This is mine. My kids aren't taking this because this one was meant to be mine, even if Aurora has a mustache. I got another Disney transportation card in the box, and I think they used to give these out is what I'm hearing, because I got one last time and I had never seen it before. I know they have monorail ones too, but it has trivia on the back, and then on the front it says the Nova. I guess that's the type of bus. Honestly, I don't know. We ride these buses all the time. I did not know that they had little like trading cards for them, so that's just a cool little keepsake. And then I saved the best for last. This was my absolute favorite thing that was in this box, and it is this package of a Disney Snacks magnets. Now I have big ones on my refrigerator already, like big Rice Krispie treats and Mickey donuts, things like that. I saw these in the parks when we were there a few weeks ago, and I almost bought them, and I'm glad that I did not buy them, but I'm glad that I have them now because they're awesome, and I just love stuff like this. Anything with like a Mickey bar or a Mickey pretzel, I'm sold. So now that I've done this video, I can actually open them and put it on my fridge now. I'm actually going to rip those babies open right now so I can show you which ones I got. So this one is a Mickey pretzel. This one is adorable. It's a Mickey bar, an ice cream bar with a little bite taken out of it. Oh, this stuff, I love it. I probably should have brought scissors, right? Uh-oh. I don't know what that was. A Rice Krispie treat covered in chocolate, a little Mickey head. And if you've never had a Rice Krispie treat in Disney World before, then you're missing out because they are the best Rice Krispie treats that you'll ever have, pretty much. And the last one is a slice of pizza with Mickey pepperonis. Yes. Okay, got to go put these on my refrigerator now. So that's it today for my Mickey's Mystery Box. Be sure to like this video, and I will be back next month with another one. In the meantime, keep an eye out for my other videos that I have going up. All of our vlogs from our last trip are up, so they can all be seen if you're interested in that. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye! I'm still loving Aurora, even if she has a mustache.